Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will discuss about one of the important retail format, that is discount store. Many retailers use different methods to attract customers. Because of this reason, different formats of retail were introduced. So today we will learn about the discount stores. So what are discount stores? Discount stores are the category of retail stores where the retailer sells the merchandise at the discounted prices. Most of the discount stores are like departmental stores where they will sell a variety of products, but the major difference is that discount stores sell merchandise at a good discounts. Examples for the discount stores are Brand Factory, which sells a discounted apparel products of various brands under one single roof. The second example for discount store is Vishal Mega Mart. Vishal Mega Mart is a compact retail store wherein they will sell apparel and general merchandise goods at a very discounted price. The discount store retailers buy the products in huge quantities from the manufacturer to get a massive discounts. So now let us see what are the features of discount stores. The discount stores sell variety of products by keeping their prices low and increasing the volumes in sales. Also, in most of the discounted stores, the customer service levels will be low. Here, the product will be displayed on the shelves and a proper signage will be displayed on them so that the customer will find it easy to shop for himself. Also, the discounted stores are in huge size as the store will have a wide range of products, so the store are usually big in space. So friends, finally we will understand what are the advantages and disadvantages of the discount store. Here we have two advantages. The first advantage is that it is profitable business for both buyer and the seller. That is, the seller will be able to sell the merchandise in huge quantities and also the buyer will be getting huge discounts on the products. So the second advantage is that the customer will be getting a wide range of products at one single roof. So now coming to the disadvantages. Products sold in a discount stores are usually of cheap quality, and also you will not find a fashionable products, and clothes sold in these stores are usually of low quality and old fashioned. And the next disadvantage is that in these type of stores there will be no proper customer service available. So friends, this is all about the discount store. So if you like the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. Thanks for watching.